Hello, Namaste. My name is Jeevan Jyoti Vishwal and we just started a series that is nothing but Java with DSA. Okay, today we are going to solve this problem that is nothing but a prime number problem. Okay, in this prime number problem, why I am just going to solve this problem? It is nothing but for this company levels. One is from Amazon, VMware and SAP Labs. Okay, maximum companies those are expecting much more not details about the DSA. They are asking for that kind of number programs patterns. One of them the popular is 1MC is prime number. Okay, today we are going to solve this problem. Okay, in this problem we are going to do if my number is less than or equal to 1 at that time I just want to return a 0 because here in this contest if I have one prime number I have to return 1. If I don't have any prime number, if the number is not a prime, then I have to return 0. Okay, we already know all negative numbers are not prime number and also 1 is not a prime number. After that I am just going to create a for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n by 2 can say. N by 2 is nothing but we are going to check up to half of the number, but there is some this is okay or not, we are going to be C. Okay, if my number modulo I is equal to 0 at the time I just want to return 0, because a number having 1 on itself it should be divisible, otherwise if anyone is divisible that is not a prime number. Okay, otherwise I have to return 1 means it is a prime number. Okay, some mistake done by me. What kind of mistake? Okay, runtime. One second. Oh, sorry. Here I have to start with 0, not 2. Start with 2, not with 0. It's fine. But there is some catch. Here we have to solve it between the time complexity up to big O of square root of n. Okay, we don't have to go up to the n by n length by 2. We can also we are going to create just do some correction here. Math dot square root of n, it will be also fine. It is also showing the same. Okay, math ma small a, yeah, it's fine. You can make us equal also. We are going to submit this code. Yeah, it is showing me the successful output. Okay, make sure to subscribe the channel for more kind of update and also practice this question in GFG. Thank you.